Sitting here right now, my world in shades of gray. Memories of our love story, they just fade away. I know you gave your all, your heart, your very best, but something in my spirit put our love to the test. Oh, I pushed you away, though you held me so tight. Different worlds we live in, day and endless night. And I bless you, my love, for the heart that you gave. Goodbye, my sweet darling, till beyond the grave. You're so poured out to me, your love so pure and true. But every step you took close, I just pulled away from you. A chasm deep between us, a truth I couldn't face. Searching for a future in a different time and space. So I pushed you